Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Panda Beauty. If you're new, welcome. Thank you for watching. Today I wanted to do something using cool tones. I wanted to use my, where is it? This palette right here by Lizzy. I did say I will use this palette to create a look to show you that even people who like warm colors can use this palette. It looks like this. So I've used this palette today to create this look right here. Very easy, very subtle. I focused on the makeup thinking about daytime. So this makeup is basically wearable for a daytime look. Obviously it is a little bit too much with the false lashes and all that glam. So it is for if you're going to a formal brunch or bridal shower, baby shower, or meeting during daytime, so you can wear this look. I would wear this look, so I always think about if I would wear it, and yes, I would wear this. So yeah, if you like what you see and you want to know what I used, how I used, all those tricks and tips, keep on watching. First I'm going to put my EOS just to hydrate my lips. They are always dry. Go in with my Bobbi Brown concealer. This is called Deep Peach, the color, and I'm just going to color correct my under eyes and around my face. I'm going to use my NYX foundation here. This one is called Can't Stop Won't Stop. This is full coverage foundation, but I've seen you can really build it up if you want from like a medium coverage to full coverage. So I'm going to use very little today just to give me enough coverage for a nice glam, but not full enough to look cakey. I'm going to take my beauty sponge and blend that out in my skin. I'm going to conceal my top of my eyes and the bottom of my eyes with double wear concealer. This is Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer in medium deep. So I'm using a concealer that's very close to my skin color, so it's not too much of a highlight for daytime. My applicator broke, so I'm gonna just use a plain brush to apply it. I'm going to set my eyes with my Kat Von D contour palette. This one has contour colors as well as the setting colors. So I'm going to use this one right here. Just going to take it on my beauty sponge. Same palette, I'm going to use this color right here to contour my face. For my blush, I'm going to go in with my Tarte palette. And I want a very natural sort of glow, so I want to use this color right here. This is called Angelic. I don't know if you've noticed, I've actually concentrated on more blush than contour because it's a daytime look. I want like a rosy glow, more like a natural sort of look. So I'm really concentrating on my blush more than contour. Usually if it's nighttime, I will concentrate on my contour more than blush. So daytime, I'm doing the other way around. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of this color right here. This is kind of like a brownie sort of red. This is called Endless. I'm going to add a little bit on the apples of my cheek. Again, to really give me that glow, that rosy glow. But I'm not putting too much, just adding a little bit of depth to my cheeks. For highlight, I'm going to go in with my Sleek palette. I am going to use the bronzier color as my highlight because, again, it's a daytime look. You can use your fingers. I'm going to use my brush. I want a bit more warmer tone. So I'm going to go in with my Estee Lauder palette here. This one looks like this. So I'm going to go in with something more warm color. So this one right here. For this one, I will use my fingers. Just popping it where I've put my Sleek one. Yeah, much better. Now I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to keep my brows quite subtle. I'm not gonna add too much color to it just because, again, it's a daytime look. I think I've been repeating myself. I'm gonna use my Bobbi Brown eyebrow pencil. This is called Perfectly Defined Long Wear Brow Pencil. It's in color mahogany. That's the color for my brows. They do other colors too, and these are amazing. So what I'm gonna do is brush my brows, and then I'm gonna go in and fill them. You see the difference. They still look very natural, but they are more fuller. Go with my spoolie and just brush any extra product off. I'm going to do my eyes now, and then I'm going to finish off with my lips. For eyes, I'm going to try to keep it very, 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 very easy and simple. And to add the glam, I will add false lashes. But yeah, it's going to be a very easy, quick glam sort of eyes, so it doesn't take too long to do, and also it's easy for daytime. So yes. For my eyes, I'm gonna use my Thin Lizzy Cool Collection palette. Looks like this. If you haven't seen my review already about these, go check them out. I'll put the link down below. First, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This is called Bear, and going to basically cover my whole eyelid. Basically covering my whole eye and my crease as well, maybe a little bit more higher than my crease. I'm gonna go in with this color called Blush into my crease. Next, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This one's called Mischief, and this is going very slightly all over my eyelid as well as in my crease, just to add a little bit of depth. You can see I'm not using too much of product. I'm just using enough to give me a depth and then stopping it. Next, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This is called Focus. It's like a dark chocolate brown, and I'm gonna pack this on the outer corner, but it's not going to be heavy. It's just going to add, again, a little bit of depth to my eye. So I'm just going to the outer corner and just bringing 1/3 in. 1/3, just right there. After packing the product, I'm gonna just take a clean fluffy brush and going to blend that dark color towards inside of my lid. So basically bringing that color inside. So I'm blending it out. Chosen a darker chocolatey color for my outer corner is because, like I said, it's daytime. Black will be too crazy, so chocolatey brown will be a bit more subtle way of smoking out your eyes, so it doesn't look too harsh. Now I'm gonna go do my inner corner or the rest of my lid. Basically, it's called Fantasy, so I'm gonna go in with this color here. Again, this is a bit more warmer color. It's still cool undertone, but more warmer. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to go with my fingers. Now I'm going to go in with the dark chocolate again and going to pack it outside. I feel like I just want to intensify the look a little bit more. And again, all I'm doing is just packing the color before I blend it. Go and smoke out the bottom of my eyes with the color Focus again, which is the chocolatey brown. Just taking it on a soft pencil brush. Basically stop the eyeshadow closer to my tear duct. I haven't gone all the way to the inner corner. And now I'm going to take a clean brush and basically blend that color out so it just gets very subtle. Use the brush, the same brush I used the darker brown on, and go in with the black here, and I'm going to basically smoke out my lash line. I'm going to go in and tight line with this Estee Lauder eye pencil. This is in color Onyx, which is 01, which is basically black. For this look, I'm not going to apply my eyeliner on, so I'm just going to go curl my lashes, add mascara, and then add falsies. For my lashes, I'm going to go in with my Clarins 40 mascara. This one's really good for volumizing your lashes plus lifting. So I'm going to add a very thin layer of it because I am going to put false lashes on. Go and put my false lashes on. I'm going to go in now and take the Estee Lauder eye pencil and just going to basically cover the lash band so that you can't see it. Take my Bare Minerals mascara and I'm basically going to merge my actual lashes with my fake lashes and also do my bottom lashes. I'm going to use my NYX lipstick here. This is liquid lipstick called Exotic. This one is the Lingerie collection. This is a bit more pinkier than a nude, so I'm just going to add that. On top of that lipstick, I'm going to add my Shiseido lipstick here, which is called Amber Afternoon. It's a beautiful brownie color lipstick, so I'm just going to add that just to tone down the pink a little bit. Final step would be adding my MAC spray. Spray this all over my face just to set my makeup and give myself a glow. This is the look that I've created. Beautiful for daytime. I mean, it may look a bit heavier, but if you're going to a special occasion, a brunch or some meeting, it's not too heavy. But you can definitely tone it down a bit with the eyeshadows and stuff, even though they're not really crazy colors. I really love it. I would wear this during the day if I'm going out to some sort of special lunch or like a bridal shower. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, maybe found it helpful, maybe learned a few things, some tricks and tips, or maybe just entertaining, share this video with someone who would find it helpful or might find it entertaining. Yeah, so hope you guys have a beautiful day. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Be happy, be positive. Bye.